What if Nikon's next move isn't another full-frame body, but the exact APS-C monster wildlife and action shooters have been begging for since the D500 was put to rest? We are talking about a mini Z9 that could fundamentally disrupt the entire camera ecosystem. The rumors surrounding the alleged Nikon Z90 are hitting a fever pitch, and if these specs hold up, Sony and Canon are going to have a massive problem on their hands. Let's look at what supply chain insiders and forums like Nikon USA, Canon USA, and Sony Camera Channel are leaking right now. The centerpiece of this alleged Z90 is a brand new 45-megapixel stacked APS-C sensor. I'm going to be honest with you, I'll believe a stacked crop sensor at this price point when I physically see it in my hands, but if Cupertino-level engineering trickles down to Nikon's DX lineup, it changes everything. Right now, an entry DX body like the Z50 Mark II rocks a standard 20.9-megapixel chip. Jumping to a 45-megapixel stacked layout gives you ridiculous cropping power for distant wildlife, aviation, and field sports without carrying a $5,000 prime lens. Pixel density is huge, but the stacked architecture is the real story here. Fast data readout means rolling shutter virtually disappears. You get blazing fast burst rates and real-time AF tracking calculations that completely bypass thermal throttling. D500 shooters loved that body because it offered battle tank build quality and a high-speed crop factor without forcing them into a massive full-frame workflow. The Z90 is being mapped out as its spiritual mirrorless successor. Think about the autofocus demand here. If Nikon drops this above the entry tier, APS-C processing is the bare minimum. They can't just shove high megapixels onto a sensor and call it a day. Users are going to expect flawless subject recognition for birds in flight, erratic vehicles, and unpredictable athletes. I'm curious, if you're shooting action right now, would you trade full-frame dynamic range for a 1.5x crop factor with 45 megapixels and zero blackout? Drop your thoughts in the comments below because I read every single one. Burst performance is where things get wild. Sure, current cameras like the Z50 Mark II hit high electronic burst numbers in controlled modes, but high burst figures mean nothing if your buffer chokes after 2 seconds. A stacked chip matched with CFexpress Type B support changes the equation. You get continuous high-speed blackout-free shooting that keeps up with unpredictable action. Then there is the question of in-body image stabilization. The full-frame line gets sensor shift VR, but lower-end DX models rely entirely on lens-based VR. For a flagship DX daily driver, built-in 5-axis IBIS is non-negotiable. It opens up handheld macro shots, low-light street work, and smooth handheld video without relying on a bulky gimbal setup. Speaking of video, this wouldn't just be a photo tool. Modern hybrid cameras demand serious video specs. A high-speed stacked sensor enables full 4K 60p readout without heavy line skipping, N-Log recording, advanced monitoring tools, and superior heat dissipation through a slightly chunkier Pro-style chassis. Combine dual card slots, deep ergonomic grips, pro-grade weather sealing, and a high-resolution EVF, and you have a true mini Z9 in your camera bag. Now, let's talk about release windows and realistic pricing. Leaker networks initially pointed to a late summer announcement window, but supply chains move fast and roadmaps shift constantly. Until an official development notice drops directly from Nikon, take every exact date with a grain of salt. As for price, if Nikon targets $2,000, it instantly becomes the ultimate secondary body for full-frame pros and the ultimate upgrade for crop sensor enthusiasts. The legendary Nikon D500 might finally get its mirrorless successor. In this deep dive, we break down all the rumors surrounding the alleged Nikon Z90, featuring a mind-blowing 45MP stacked APS-C sensor, APS-C processing, and flagship ergonomics. Is this the ultimate wildlife and sports camera? Is Nikon building a mini Z9? Leaks suggest a professional DX camera named the Nikon Z90 is currently in testing, boasting zero rolling shutter, high-speed burst rates, and robust weather sealing. Join us as we analyze whether a 45MP crop sensor can outclass traditional full-frame setups for action and sports. Nikon Z90 specs explained. We cover the latest supply chain. Rumors detailing a 45-megapixel stacked DX sensor designed specifically for wildlife, action, and hybrid creators. Discover how this rumored body fits into the current Z mount ecosystem and what it means for Sony and Canon competition.